We are in our mobile robotics lab here in London, and this is where the Mantis learns how to operate on a construction site, how to navigate. As you can see, there are features that represent several parts of the kind of buildings that we build. And here the robot learns to walk around, to go up the stairs, and to operate different tools, to load tools onto the robot, and how to perform any kind of operations. In this particular case, you'll see that we have a configuration with the Mantis locomotion system, the DEX arm, a 6 degrees of freedom arm, and a screw-in tool on top. And from this point, then the AI that runs the robot will control every aspect of the maneuver, approaching the surface, understanding the angle, and the robot is capable of using its sensors to automatically manage the pressure and the speed of the tool so as to get to a very efficient maneuver. So the approach that we take here is to analyze the kind of operations that we believe that the robot is going to perform, design tools and train the robots to perform them in a very efficient and scalable way.